Given that a equal to minus 3 comma 10, b equal to 6 comma minus 8, the ratio is k is to 1. The divided point is the minus 1 comma 6. P of x comma y equal to formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus ny1 by m plus n is formula. So p of x is minus 1 comma 6. M into m means k, k into x2 is the 6. This is x2, y2, x1, y1. Substitute these values. Now here minus 1 comma 6. Simplify. Minus 1 equal to x value 1 equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. Transpose minus of k plus 1 equal to 6k minus 3 minus k minus 1 equal to 6k minus 3. Transpose k value to right. So minus k minus 6k minus 3 minus plus 1 minus 7k equal to minus 2 minus get cancel, k equal to 2 by 7. Other side 6 equal to minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1. 6 of k plus 1 equal to minus 8k plus 10. 6k plus 6 that equal to minus 8k plus 10. k ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే 6k plus 8k 10 minus 6 minus plus 6ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే minus 6. సో 14k equal to 4. k equal to 4 by 14. So here 2 2s are 2 7s are k.